Best Murphy bed. Just as mechanical keyboards have gained popularity among typists and gamers for their comfort, durability, and precision, space-saving furniture like Murphy beds is increasingly sought after by homeowners looking to combine style, functionality, and comfort. A good Murphy bed not only maximizes room space, but also offers durable construction, easy setup, and long-term comfort. This guide evaluates build quality, mattress comfort, ease of assembly, versatility, and overall value, helping you find the best Murphy bed for small apartments, guest rooms, or multifunctional living spaces.
Product number 1, Inofia Queen Folding Mattress. The Inofia Queen Folding Mattress is a versatile and portable solution for both guest accommodations and daily use. Made with high-density foam, it provides excellent support while remaining lightweight for easy folding and storage. Its tri-fold design allows the mattress to double as a lounge chair or futon when not in use, making it ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or multi-purpose spaces. The removable cover is soft, breathable, and machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance. Despite its compact design, the mattress maintains consistent comfort across all 3 panels, offering a firm yet supportive sleeping surface. For those looking for a flexible and affordable Murphy-style bed alternative, Inofia delivers a practical solution that balances comfort, portability, and quality.
Product number 2. The Bigsy Sofa Bed 4-in-1 Multifunction Folding Ottoman Sleeper Bed is a 4-in-1 solution combining a sofa, ottoman, sleeper bed, and storage space in one compact design. The folding mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing it to transform from a stylish seating area to a comfortable sleeping surface in seconds. Its high-density foam mattress provides a firm yet supportive feel, making it suitable for overnight guests. The durable fabric upholstery resists wear and tear, while the hidden storage compartment helps save space in small apartments or multi-purpose rooms. Easy to assemble and versatile in its design, the Bigsy folding bed is perfect for anyone seeking a multifunctional, space-saving piece of furniture without sacrificing comfort or style. Product number 3, Night and Day Furniture Murphy Cube Cabinet Bed. The Murphy Cube Cabinet Bed by Night and Day Furniture combines elegant design with functional convenience. Designed as a cube cabinet, it effortlessly folds into a queen-size bed, making it ideal for studio apartments, guest rooms, or compact living spaces. Its solid construction ensures durability, while the hydraulic folding mechanism provides smooth operation and easy setup. The mattress, made with high-density foam, offers comfortable support without compromising space when stored. Its modern cabinet appearance blends seamlessly with home decor, allowing it to serve as both furniture and a bed. With safety and convenience in mind, the Night and Day Cube Bed is a top-tier option for homeowners seeking a stylish and reliable Murphy bed solution. Product number 4. Tri-Folding Mattress Queen Size, Memory Foam Tri-Fold Handle and Non-Slip Bottom. This tri-folding memory foam mattress provides a compact, comfortable, and practical option for Murphy bed setups or temporary sleeping arrangements. The high-density memory foam conforms to the body, providing a balance of softness and support, ideal for nightly use or occasional guests. Its tri-fold design allows for versatile use as a lounge, sleeper, or yoga mat, and the non-slip bottom ensures stability on various surfaces. A built-in handle makes it easy to carry and store, while the breathable cover adds comfort and allows for simple cleaning. For homeowners needing a lightweight, portable, and space-saving bedding solution, this trifold mattress offers excellent value without compromising on comfort. Product number 5. Folding Mattress Full-Size 6-inch Memory Foam. The 6-inch full-size folding mattress combines comfort and practicality for Murphy bed or guest room setups. Constructed with high-quality memory foam, it provides consistent support and pressure relief for all body types. Its tri-fold design makes it easy to store in closets, under furniture, or in multifunctional spaces.
The mattress cover is soft, removable, and easy to clean, enhancing durability and hygiene. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both daily use and temporary arrangements. The full-size dimensions ensure ample sleeping space while maintaining compact storage. For those seeking a reliable, comfortable, and versatile folding mattress, this product delivers a practical and budget-friendly solution.